Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a mushroom sauce. I'm going to do a bit of flambe with some brandy. You don't need to add the alcohol. It's a bit of a showstopper if you want to have some guests around and you do the sauce in front of them. It's just amazing. It's so simple to do. Come on, let's get cracking and I'll show you how to make it. Now on the right hand side of this screen you will find all the ingredients you're going to need to make this recipe. Now into a pan on a medium-high heat I'm going to add my olive oil, followed by a knob of butter. Just let this melt through. Now we're going to add our onions and mushrooms. And we're going to cook these now until they're nice and soft. This is going to take a couple of minutes. Season with some cracked black pepper and some salt. Give it a bit of a stir before we do the flambe with our brandy. Now stand back because it will flash. Make sure everyone's out of the way. And wait until the alcohol has completely burned off. You'll find that happens when the flames disappear. And now we're ready to continue on. Add your gravy powder. Give it a stir. Followed by your stock. Just to thin it out a little. And then finishing off with the cream, which is going to make this sauce lovely and light and fluffy and creamy. And the finishing touch is just a little bit of parsley. Now, let's get ready to serve. And if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.